Okay, hey y'all, I am gonna do this live. I sound a little better, and I'm sorry about the lighting in here. It's looks like it's fixing to rain. Praise God, we need it to calm these pollen down. But anyway, I just wanted to show you that I got this, and I am backwards. I'm working on my sewing table. Y'all forgive me, and you might be shaky when I start rubbing. But I was on the DIY struggle on her whatnot. Okay, and I won. I never win. And I won this. And, so it's just a little sample kit from Brandi at the DIY Struggle. If y'all do not know her, I will tag her. Y'all follow her. She's awesome. But anyways, I was so excited to get it. And I'm not sponsored by any means. Okay, I just really love Brandi. And so I wanted to show y'all what I got. So it's this little, I don't know, little gift pack thingy, and she gave me, I'm sorry about the noise, so she gave me a little acrylic ornament and a wood slice ornament. Then she gave me these rub-on transfers, which y'all know that I'm a sucker for some rub-on transfers. I absolutely love them, so I'm presuming that one goes on that, because I don't know if it actually fit on that. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. We'll play around. And then she gave me some of her rice paper. It was packaged very nicely. But look at her rice papers. Aren't they so pretty? So I'm going to be using this image. But first, she did send me a note with this, which was very nice, and said that you need to seal your surface before you start working. So I had a finger sander somewhere, and you know, I may have set it down or just flat out lost it, or put it in here with my sewing stuff. I don't know. Hold on, let me find it. You know, I picked them up and put them right back down, but I got one that's rough. I'm going to be using it later, and I got one that's really smooth, and that's what I'm going to use here. So, and I don't guess it matters which edge you use. So I'm going to sand this really smooth with a fine one. That seems to help. And I'm fixing to cough, just so y'all know. I'm so sorry. Oh, that's smooth as a baby's booty. Okay, so she said Mod Podge this. First of all, this is my sewing space. So let me get my messy mat here. My messy mat. Okay. So, I'm going to take this, and I'm going to, which side did I sand? I done this one. I'm going to give it a coat of matte Mod Podge. No, I don't have a normal brush. This is a makeup brush I had. Let me just put it on here. I'm just going to give it a coat of Mod Podge, okay? Because she said put some kind of sealer on it, and I already learned that the hard way. Well, that ain't gonna work. To put sealer on it before you, that might be too much now. Before you start putting a, rub-on transfer on there, because it doesn't want to stick to some surfaces. So, yeah. So yeah, that's a little much, but, and I plugged my hole, but I'll open that back up. But let me let that dry, okay? And I'm going to, I'm not going to do nothing. I'm going to set this right here. Alright, so let's grab this. Okay, this has protective stuff on it, because it is acrylic, so we're going to peel this off. Maybe. Y'all, let me get a weeding. Oh no, you know what? I'm at the sewing place. Let me grab a pen. I hope y'all can hear me. The camera is like right here, literally, and I have a mic attached, and my breathing is bleh. See that protective film? Make sure y'all pull them off, or you're not gonna have very good success. I'm pretty sure. Yep, one on the back too. These are pretty clear. And I love peeling those off. It's so satisfying. And of course, I can't find the trash can in here. Okay, so I'm not going to touch it because I don't want it messed up. My mat is dirty. Because I've used it when I was doing fabric. So let me lint roll this. Alright. I may have to start videoing over here and just stand up, because I like this. I really do. So I'm gonna put, oh, thank you, Lord. It is raining. Oh, I'm so excited about that. I'll tell you. 'Tis the season. Not yet, but it's supposed to be. Of course I can't get this. I should have known not to put the pen over there. Oh, I'm so sorry. Well, that just distracted me. I didn't put my stuff on silent. Now I got to do it again. Y'all, I'm so sorry. When you're doing these live, you never know. You never know what you're going to be doing. Got it. Sorry, y'all. These are always like that. It's not just Brandi's. They're always like that. Okay, let me get this straight. What is that on there? What did I do? Alright. 'Tis the season. Am I going to get that straight? I don't know. I am not measuring. Okay, so I'm going to use my rub-on tool. Y'all may be moving. If you are, I'm so sorry. Okay. Oh, beautiful. Oh, you're supposed to burnish it, but yeah, let's just touch it. I don't want to rub it. Okay, I will seal that because these transfers are, you can scratch them off. But isn't that pretty? 'Tis the season. Can y'all see that? No, because it's upside down. 'Tis the season. And then I'm going to do a little something to it. And I'll show you these at the end. Now, she gave me some more. And I could have, you know, embellished this with these. I may just put some of mine on there. Or I may use a little paint. I'm not sure. But that right there, if you want to leave it like that, is done. Put your hanger on it. But I'll show you in the final reveal. I'm not going to do that all on live. Okay. So this is not dry, so we're going to dry it real quick. Okay, we're dry. No, don't use pencil. Don't use pencil. Use your pen. We'll clean it later. We will clean it later. Alright, got my hole open again. Set that bad boy down. We're going to put this rub-on transfer on here. I might should have did this one on the acrylic since, you know, I'm going to have to poke a hole in his head. I didn't even think about the hole in his head, but we're going to center that. Look, they fit perfect. Brandi's so smart. She got it all down for you. Oh my goodness, you can see the wood grooves. That is so cool. Y'all, if you watched my last video, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I really do. I know it was probably hard the way my voice was. Oh my gosh, I was like, what is that? I seriously sounded like my husband. I started to just pretend I was my husband and y'all not know. But he was like, I don't talk like you. Well, you're going to have to learn because, yeah. I don't know. But anyway, I'm rubbing this good just because I'm nervous. Because, you know, a wood round has grooves in it. Now, y'all know if you don't get it, just put it back down. Because I told you it has grooves. I'm not sure I got all of it. So I'm going to rub as I go. Oh, sorry. I'm having shenanigans. I don't even like to call it shenanigans. I don't even know what that word means. I'm going to have to look it up. I'm having issues. That's what I'm having. Okay, I'm probably in y'all's way and you can't even see me. I'm not trying to be. Oh, look. I have to cut the hole in the top of his hat right there. Oh, how cute is that? And my grandson loves these. But anywho, they love these things here. I will do that with, nope, I will do that with something else, but then I'll string my string through it. But look, it come out so good. Of course, I'll seal it. I like to seal mine with 3 or 4 coats of a acrylic sealer, such as a Mod Podge acrylic sealer, Aleene's, or I will use Rust-Oleum Clear Matte spray paint and just give it like 2 or 3 coats to seal those transfers in. Yeah. So the second thing, okay, I wanted to do I wanted to test out her paper here. Just let me cut this first. Okay. Let me move this up. No, I'm sorry. Alright, so we just slice that away, put that over there. Her rice papers are so pretty. I want a lot of this, okay? So I don't want that cut out. So I'm gonna, I was gonna do just this, but I'm gonna do a certain amount, and I'm gonna try to get it even, Steven, okay? Will I? I don't know. And we'll see. But anyway, I'm gonna put my Mod Podge on here. I'm gonna go up a little bit further because I'm not sure where I'm gonna come out at. So I'm gonna go down so far here and just put my Mod Podge on, and then put my paper down straight as that's one thing about using rice paper. You can pick it up and move it if you need to. I need to come down just a smidgen. Just a smidgen. I think that's pretty even. So I'm just going to rub that down. I love working with rice paper because it's very easy to work with, and forgiving. Is very forgiving. Like if you mess up, you can pick it up and put it back down, like about what I do. Everything that I try to go get over there, pick it up and put it down. And then I'm just going to smooth that down. This is nothing like napkins. Y'all can actually, get a little rough with it if you want to. Now I'm gonna let this dry. Oops. I'm gonna let this dry, and we'll come back and sand that down. Now I did not paint my board white. If you want it smoother, you can, or brighter, you can paint your board white. I chose not to do that, okay? So we're gonna put that to the side and let that Mod Podge dry. And then when it dries, okay, just so you know, when it dries, I'm going to get my aggressive sandpaper, and I'm going to go in a downward, I'm not in frame. I'm going to get my aggressive sandpaper because I like it better, and go in a downward motion and get all this paper off, and I'll let you know how that worked out. And then I'm going to paint my handle and do all this. But look at this. This is very pretty too. Look. This is just a sample pack, okay? Sample pack. And I was excited to get it because I've never tried her stuff. But yeah, it's very pretty. Very pretty. So I'll be back and show you how they all turned out. Okay, y'all. This is them finished. I will start over here. I know I'm in my own light. I'm sorry. I'll get closer. It don't matter if I get closer. You still can't see. I just added a couple of little transfers I had and then put a string on it. But that's the acrylic ornament. I absolutely love this. I just added red paint to there, to the handle, to the sides, jute ribbon, some beads tied on with twine, and I don't know if you can tell, but I painted my berries a little brighter because where I didn't put white behind it, they were a little dull, and I wanted to kind of match the red paint. But yeah, so anywho, there's that, and it's cute as a bug in a rug. And then there's that, and all I did was put a string on it, and then I sealed it. I'm gonna give that to my grandson because I think he'll love it. But anyway, yeah, so that's that. And then this will probably eventually be on my whatnot for sale, and I will give that to my granddaughter possibly. I'm not sure. But anyway, yeah. Thank you, Brandi, if you're watching this. Thank you so much for allowing me to use your products, and I'm so thankful I won. I will be probably making an order before long, to be honest with you. But anyway, you guys are a blessing. Until next time, goodbye.